guys, welcome back to my channel. So I haven't vlogged in a little bit, but today is January 16th and I'm with my friend Kianna.
Hi guys.
And we're gonna do like a cute little day trip to Austin. I've never been to Austin, but I've heard really good things about Austin. I heard the restaurants were really good. I heard the bars were pretty good, but I'm really excited. Like last night I kept waking up and I was like, oh, I'm so excited to go. But yeah, I'm gonna try my best to vlog a lot today and hopefully upload it by tomorrow. Also, I forgot to say, this hat, can you see me? This hat that I'm wearing is so cute. I really like it. This is going to be listed on 747collection.com pretty soon, by the end of January. So I have this hat in black, and as you see, it's like nice and like teddy. And then I also have it in brown, and then I have some sweatsuit sets that are all dropping by the end of January. Once I have a specific date, I'll let you know the date. But yeah, I really like these hats. As of now, like this is my first day wearing it. Super comfortable. And there's actually a drawstring in the back that I really like because my head is huge, so sometimes hats be hurting my head. So this one's perfect because like it feels so comfortable, like it doesn't even feel like I have anything on. Hey guys, so we just made it to Austin.
We did. Oh, there's birds in Central Texas are crazy.
I was gonna say, what are they called?
Well, I don't know what these are, but I know in Waco we have a lot of grackles, and they're loud, and they covered like the entire parking lot.
Oh,
it's crazy.
Yeah, I've noticed like they sound different here.
Yeah, it's a different breed.
They didn't sound like that where I'm from. But yeah, we just made it to Austin. We're about to go ahead and get some brunch. So hungry.
Oh my god, so hungry.
So yeah, the downtown here is really pretty actually. Traffic was you know,
it's Austin.
Yeah, and then like finding parking was a little harder. I'm glad we were able to find that spot because the spot we first pulled in, like I knew it was too good to be true.
It was. It really was.
It was like $30 to park, so we had to find street parking. Everyone's pulling out of that space. Oh wait, someone parked there. Wait, do we have to walk in there?
No, because we didn't park here.
Right.
Sweet walk. Oh, you have to check in though.
Oh, okay. I feel like I look so sketchy with like a hat and a mask. Incognito.
Look how cute.
Aww. Very cute. I just hope the food is good.
I hope so.
Because you know, sometimes places when they try too hard to be cute, like put that same energy into your food.
Instead of the brand.
Right.
can't grow shit.
Oh, that is so cute.
I'm in love with this place already. It's just so pink and perfect.
Meanwhile, so
Got no love.
this is the place we went to. What would you rate it?
I was being nice and I gave it a 5 out of 10. But I just, after that whole experience, I think I'm gonna give it a good like 3.5. And only because of the decor.
Yeah, honestly, mine went down. At first it was a 3 out of 10. The fact that they only had one bathroom brought the rating down. So I'm gonna rate it probably a 2 out of 10 for the decor and the chips.
Yeah, our waiter was awful.
Yeah.
I have never left that low of a tip in my life. Like, he's just rude. He forgot about us. He went to every other table besides ours.
Right.
The entire time.
The whole time. And I had to get up
and get water.
Go get us some water. Oh,
I think it's
okay.
Oh, is it?
Let's just walk.
Oh, okay.
They're just going so fast. But yeah, I had to get up and go get us water. We waited so long just to get our checks. Like, it was just not good.
Yeah, it was not great.
And the food, that was probably the worst Mexican food I've had since moving to Texas.
Yeah, good thing we decided to go up the steps first.
Right. How long did you say this was?
Not far at all. I mean, you can see the top.
Hey guys, we just made it. Oh my god.
We're like halfway. Like, you can see the top.
Yeah. Wow, I really had to start.
Yeah.
Going
Cardio starts in the morning.
Yeah. It's time for a lifestyle change.
It's ridiculous.
We just made it to Mount Bonnell? Bonnell. So apparently it's really pretty views. I'm really excited to see.
Go, go, go. Go.
Okay, got some good ones. It's not that. It looks really high, but it's not that high.
This is so pretty.
Look at him. Yeah, this is a great photo op, ladies.
What? Oh, there's a pool down there. Oh, wow.
Like, are we still in America? Because this looks like another country.
Just in downtown Austin.
Yes. You guys, this view is unreal. Literally, it doesn't even look like we're in the United States. It looks too pretty. Like, I'm just like, pictures can't even capture how beautiful this looks. Like,
Honestly.
why does this look like this?
It does.
Maybe I'm just being dramatic.
It's awesome, Texas.
Yeah. It's just
It's not ridiculous.
like, this is unreal. Did you want to wait close by, like, for when he gets
By
here?
the stairs.
Okay.
Yeah, well, I'll see what.
Oh yeah, I have a YouTube also.
You said you had a YouTube? Mm-hmm. Oh, okay, nice. You coming in?
Do you see? Oh, when they just like poop.
Yep.
Wait, now I gotta watch that.
Wow, it's like I want to get closer.
But at the same time, you don't?
Right.
Peacock comes out. Oh, boy.
Oh my gosh.
She's like, I was too quick for me.
Oh my God. See, I told you.